Two rental giants, one simple question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Enterprise, reliable and loaded with options. On the right, Budget, the champion of affordability for value seekers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, so here's how we're breaking this down. We're going through price, fleet and selection, customer service, loyalty and perks, app and booking experience, and availability. Yeah, I know, it's kind of a lot, but trust me, each one actually makes a difference when you're staring at that rental counter after a long flight. So first up, price. Let's be real. This one hits everyone right in the wallet, so it matters. With Enterprise, you get competitive rates, especially if you're looking for those premium cars or planning to rent long-term. That's nice, but just a heads up. Their base rates? Usually a touch higher than Budget. Now, Budget, well, it's right in the name, isn't it? They're almost always among the cheapest. And if you're cool prepaying, you can save up to 35%. That's kind of wild. Only thing is, Budget does this daily e-toll fee thing, even if you don't use the tolls, so not super awesome. But overall, money-wise, Budget takes the win here. Next, fleet and selection. Okay, Enterprise is honestly the king here. You walk in and boom, you see SUVs, trucks, vans, electric vehicles, you name it. Even a focus on sustainability if that's your thing. It's like a candy store for car people. Of course, premium options can get pricey, but you really do have choices. Now, Budget, good for the basics. Economy and midsize, and they've got good coverage around airports and neighborhoods. But specialty vehicles, not really their vibe. So if you're picky or just want to drive something cool, Enterprise is the clear winner for fleet. Moving on to customer service. Enterprise. Oh man, it's not just hype. They consistently score the highest in customer satisfaction, 78 on the ACSI scale, if you want to get nerdy about it. They're flexible on pickup and drop-off, and people actually say their service is reliable. Downside? Sometimes you get stuck with airport convenience charges. With Budget, you get solid service and free extra driver for your spouse, which is honestly a nice touch. But people do gripe about random add-on fees popping up, so it's a mixed bag. In this round, Enterprise definitely comes out on top. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Enterprise? They actually have the largest rental fleet in the whole US. That's a lot of cars, right? Now, let's look at loyalty and perks. Enterprise Plus is actually pretty sweet. Every dollar you spend is a point, and you only need 400 points for a free rental day. They have platinum, gold, silver tiers. The only thing is, the good stuff mostly goes to frequent renters. Budget has Budget Bucks, so you can get discounts and speedy checkout, plus another spouse driver for free. That's useful, but yeah, not really blowing anyone away with elite perks. So, it's Enterprise, but with a bit of an asterisk if you don't rent often. Time to check out app and booking. Enterprise has a super smooth app experience. Changing reservations, all that stuff is easy. Sometimes there are little bugs, but honestly, it's pretty rare. Budget's app does what it needs to do, but it's kind of basic. It works, it's just not as intuitive or slick as Enterprise. So, yeah. Enterprise takes the app crown here. Last one, availability. Enterprise has over 6,000 global locations. That's airports, neighborhoods, you name it. The only catch? Some spots get a little crazy busy. Budget isn't slouching, though. They've got over 1,500 in the US, mostly airports, and a few neighborhoods. But if you want to go international, you won't find as many budgets out there. So, another point to Enterprise for just being, well, everywhere. If you put it all together, like on one of those fancy radar charts, Enterprise basically sweeps the board on almost every category except price, where Budget sneaks ahead. It's actually kind of impressive how consistent Enterprise is. So, who should you rent with? Honestly, if you care about great service or want a bunch of car choices or just don't want any drama at the counter, Enterprise is going to treat you right. But if your budget is the main thing and you just want the cheapest deal no matter what, Budget is probably your jam. I'm Team Enterprise for most trips, but Budget is a solid plan if you just need something simple. Ready to book? I'd say check enterprise.com or budget.com for the latest deals. See what works for you, grab a coupon if you can, and go make that next road trip